Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking down essentials. Choose target keywords and set up a clear page hierarchy so search engines understand your site. Once your custom domain and HTTPS are active, run Wix SEO Wiz to generate a personalized checklist. Now create a homepage and 3-5 category pages named for primary keywords and map where each long-tail topic will live. This prevents keyword cannibalization and speeds indexing, because search engines see a logical structure and targeted content from the first crawl. You now tackle detailed execution. Rewrite title tags and meta descriptions to include primary keywords while keeping them natural, and make sure each page has a single clear H1. Once done, optimize images for size and add descriptive alt text for accessibility and ranking signals. Make the site mobile-friendly and enable lazy loading to improve speed. Also implement internal linking between related pages and add structured data where it fits. These actions help search engines understand context and improve CTR, and you finish by submitting your sitemap to Google Search Console and connecting analytics so you can track impressions, clicks, and behavior. After publishing pages, use request indexing for priority pages and begin outreach to earn 5-10 relevant backlinks to boost authority. Make iterative updates based on Search Console data and refine content for low-performing pages. If pages aren't indexing, check robots, TXT, noindex tags, and canonical settings. Clearing a blocking rule or removing the wrong canonical often resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.